Welcome back, everyone. This is now the 9-month update of our ongoing 25-way trim restoration products longevity test. We've had a lot of rain over the last month with pretty average temperatures for the month as we get ever closer to summer. The last 30 days weather, as well as the lifetime weather that these panels have seen, is on your screen. As usual, check the links in the video description as to where you can buy these products, as it does help the channel out. I also have an awesome spreadsheet with all of the info on all the products in the description. First, we'll foam this hood down using Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam. Rinse it, foam it again, wash it, rinse, and then of course dry it off to see how things are holding up. If you'd like to support the channel, information is on your screen right here. If you're new to the channel, not familiar with these tests, I've been doing tests like these for the last 6 years now. These panels will sit outside of our shop here in East Texas 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, exposed to the East Texas elements, and of course we'll wash and inspect it on a monthly basis until the last one fails. I do have other tests with different products running right now alongside this one, so please go and check those out too. These tests are not possible without your support, and I am purposely unsponsored. I'll promise to you guys that I'll never accept any money for a review of a product. I'm completely neutral, unbiased, and that 100% of these products are purchased out of my own pocket unless otherwise stated. As I said earlier, I don't do paid reviews for companies, and believe me, they've tried, because I want to know the real truth about the best products out there for you, for me, and for our clients. I do want to take a moment to remind you that if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. Smash that like button, and of course comment down below. It does help others get to see these videos by doing so. We're approaching the 25,000 subscriber mark and growing quickly. I want to thank you guys for the continued support. Please be sure to share these videos to show your support for channels like this. So with that out of the way, let's get on to things. As a reminder, the gray panel on the bottom of the screen has 2 coats of everything, and the black panel on the top has 1 coat. So starting with the gray panel, heat gun still doing all right, torch method doing all right. Again, not suggested because it will weaken the plastic over time. Turtle wax trim, Mother's Back to Black, McGuire's all have long since failed. Armor All has been weak since about the 60-day mark, but we marked it weak more recently at the 7-month mark. Forever Black we called failed. Everything else on the top row is done. On to the bottom row, Wipe New looks outstanding, still has plenty of gloss too. Very similar product, Cerakote, also looking great. That black stuff, it's more of a matte finish, but it is doing okay. Again, this is a gray panel, so you probably wouldn't want to use that black stuff on it, but it is holding up just fine. Shine Supply Trim Paint, we called that failed. Malco Epic Revive looking great. Solution Finish we called failed at the 6-month mark. Nano Cotex looking weak. On to the black panel. India Ink in the upper left corner there looking all right. Heat gun and torch method starting to show some signs of weakness. Kiwi shoe dye, $3. Glossy, consistent, looks great. Armor All Outlast, same with the gray panel. It looks kind of weak, but we're not going to call it failed yet. Onto the bottom row, again, Wipe New looking fantastic. And Cerakote looking equally as good. That black stuff still holding up. You can see it has that matte finish compared to Cerakote right next to it. More of a glossy finish. Cerakote advertises it as a permanent finish, and so far it looks like that's the case. It's holding up pretty well. Trinova TLC Ceratrim had failed early on, and Blackwow failed very early. Shine Supply Trim Paint looks very good. Malco Epic Revive looks good. Solution Finish starting to show a little signs of weakness, as is Nano Cotex Regen. So there's your update for the 9-month mark. Not a lot of changes, but we do have a few standouts. So if you were going to choose your top 3, what would they be? Let me know. 1, 2, 3. What would you buy right now at the 9-month mark? Please like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys soon.